The next step of layer by layer is building the middle layer, which consists of 4 edge pieces, and it looks like this. So you want to find pieces that fit in one of these 4 slots. And for example, I'm going to start with the blue-red. Now what you want to do is you want to make a T with that right side. So since this blue is on the side, facing the side and not the bottom, I can make a T with the blue side. And now we all know it goes here, but if it went to the here, which is the right side, that's one of 2 different algorithms. Next piece is the green-red right here. We can make a T like that, and it goes to the left again. Next piece, blue and orange. I can make a blue T again. This one goes to the right this time. Our last piece is already right here, orange and green. Now, if you end up with a case like this, where it's in the right spot, but it's not flipped correctly, what you can do is do one of the algorithms. You can do it from the left here or the right here. It takes it out and puts it back in the bottom layer. Just make a T with whatever color is on the side, and you can put it back in.